Today, we're addressing a frustrating issue, the Wi-Fi denied access problem. If you're struggling to connect to Wi-Fi, stick around, we've got the solutions you need. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. First, let's understand what Wi-Fi denied access means. This error typically indicates that your device is either not allowed to connect to the network or there's an issue with your network settings. But don't worry, we'll go through some easy fixes. Step 1 is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issue. Just power off your device, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Now let's forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Here's how. Go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, find the network you're having trouble with and tap on it. Here you can find the option to forget this network and simply tap on forget and reconnect by selecting the network again. Now let's check your network settings. Make sure airplane mode is turned off and ensure your device is set to obtain an IP address automatically. Go to settings, go to network and internet and Wi-Fi, tap on advanced and ensure that IP settings are set to DHCP. Now next thing is to check for system updates. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems. Go to settings and on general and go to software update, and if there's an update available, download and install it. If you're still having issues, try rebooting your Wi-Fi router. Simply unplug it, wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help to resolve the Wi-Fi denied access problem.